In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're working remotely, collaborating with others, or just need to have a quick catch-up with your team, Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that makes communication seamless and effective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident setting up a meeting from start to finish. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this on your computer by double-clicking the Teams icon if you have it installed or by navigating to the Teams web app through your internet browser. Make sure you've signed in with your Teams account. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if you are new to Teams. This will make the process smoother. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice several options there. Click on Calendar, which you will recognize by the calendar icon. This section is where you can view, schedule, and manage all your meetings. It's a hub of your scheduled activities, keeping everything organized in one place. Now that you're in the calendar view, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window, where you'll see a button that says New Meeting. Click that button to begin setting up your meeting. When the new window pops up, it's time to begin filling in the details. Start with the meeting title. A clear and informative title will help all participants understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. It can be as straightforward as weekly team sync or project planning session. Next, set the date and time for your meeting. Use the drop-down menus to choose these. Make sure to select a time that suits all attendees and remember to account for any time zone differences if your team is dispersed geographically. Adding attendees is the next step. In the Add Required Attendees field, you'll input each participant's email address. If they're part of your organization, you might see their name pop up as you type, making it simpler to add them. You'll also see a field for optional attendees, for those who may be interested but their attendance isn't mandatory. Consider jotting down a short description or agenda in the meeting details. This is located in the body area of the invite. Providing a brief outline of topics or goals can make sure everyone is on the same page before the meeting begins. With everything filled in, go ahead and click Save. This action will send out email invitations to all attendees, including a link to join the meeting when the time comes. When it's meeting time, you or anyone involved can join from the calendar by clicking the Join button next to the meeting entry. And there you have it, you're ready to host your meeting on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you in setting up your next Microsoft Teams meeting with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore more features in Teams to enhance your productivity.